If you like pace cars and or Corvettes, take a look at this one. 1998 Chevrolet Corvette pace car. Very well taken care of. Nice example of the 98 pace car. This particular vehicle, they considered this, you'll see it listed a couple different ways. Sometimes it was called radar purple metallic, otherwise pace car purple metallic. Anyway, let's color code 21. Back when this came out, a little over 20 years ago. It's powered by an LS1 underneath the hood, 345 horsepower engine with 350 foot-pounds of torque. Nice, powerful Corvette from the day. There was actually, this was the fourth Corvette that was actually a pace car throughout the years. As you can see, it's got a quite significant emblazoned Indianapolis 500 logo down the side of it. That would be the vinyl that is added to these pace cars. Yellow interior, kind of with the carbon or the graphite leather, really sets this car off. Matches up with those yellow wheels. If you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can take a look at this car on the underside, interior, engine bay. Extremely nice car. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too. Be happy to help you out with this. The number we can be reached at, 507-386-1726. This car does have a clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Confirming the miles. We'll get around to the driver's side. I believe it's a little over 20,000, a little over 26,000. It's in the 20,000 range. We'll take a look at it when we get around. We'll open up the door. Spent the majority of its life in Florida before coming to us. Does have a Borla exhaust added to it. Great sounding car. Borla puts a nice stainless steel Corvette exhaust out. That's what's on this one. Of course, financing is available. We do consider trades. And we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. This car is pretty free of nicks, chips, scratches, what have you. Cleaned up very, very nice. Great luster to that paint. Up and down the side of it, you can see it's not full of nicks or door dings, anything like that. And once again, check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time, look through them. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Does have the Indy 500 logo floor mats with it also. They're in the trunk. Should be able to check those out in the pictures. The pace car package was a little over a $5,000 option, and came with a lot of extra equipment with it, as well as the paint and the vinyl scheme on these. So there is the pace car floor mats in the trunk. As you can see, memory seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Of course, automatic transmission in this one, active handling. Dual climate control, the Delco system, the Bose system was added with that pace car package. So you can see all stock on the inside. I think the only thing I noticed that was changed would just be the Borla exhaust and the floor mats. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear this car run. And we'll check out those exact miles. There you go, 25,812. Was beat between 20,000 and 26,000. So 25,812. And as you can see, there was no indicator lights, warning lights, anything like that. Just the seat belt, since I don't have myself strapped in, just sitting here. Dual climate control, automatic transmission. Dash in nice shape. As you hear, that Borla exhaust is a little more aggressive than the stock exhaust, but nothing crazy. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Nothing crazy, just a nice little rumble coming out of that LS1. I'm going to slip around to the front and pause this a second. We'll pop the hood And check out how nice and tidy that engine bay is and everything underneath there. Alright, hood popped. There's that LS1. And as you can see, pretty stock. Don't see anything that's been changed. No cold air intakes, anything like that. Extremely nice and tidy under here. You can tell it's well taken care of car. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number to reach us, 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing's available. And we can sure assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. A little over 25,000 miles in this 1998 Chevrolet Corvette Indianapolis pace car. Look forward to hearing from you.